Okay, if you got an Andersen casement window that'll go out, but then does this when you try to pull it back in, I got a fix. Hang tight. So I already got that loose. Just take that off. Get your screwdriver. Take out these screws. I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, so then you take the screws out, pop this guy off, and then this guy right here is coming out. Let's see, push it in, and you take your screwdriver and get it back in. Jeez. Let me see if I can use this guy. So it just took a little persuading with the hammer, but get that guy back inside there. Then you just take a chisel and a hammer, and you just put it on here, and you just give it a little whack, and I'll come back and show you what it's like when it's done. All right, so as you can see on there, I just kind of went around it and gave her a couple whacks with the hammer, and then you got her, and then it comes right back in, goes back out. Heck of a lot better than spending $60, $70 on a whole new assembly. Thanks.